Uh, sorry, I forget in my last video talks about comparison operator. We discuss now. Okay. Comparison operator is six type of comparison operators. Like this sign is greater than. This sign is greater than. This sign is less than. This sign is greater than, and greater या equal to. This sign less than या equal to. This sign is equal to in Python, and this sign not equal to. Okay. It's important to remember that when I equal to, then doesn't mean is single equal and double equal. Single equal means when to have on equal sign, single equal sign, it means that if you have assigning this value of this variable, this is my variable, and but when you have two equal sign, you're checking to see if value on the left is equal to the value on the right, the is completely different. When I get it in there, and I enter 171 is also the message is sorry, you can't join, because we condition is equal, not less than, not equal, not less than, not greater than. Okay, and this sign is better than, equal to, greater than. Like if I enter 170 and then it enter, and you can join Indian Army also. Okay, by using if and else statement, we get our computer to do different things. Okay, so we talk about now nested if and else statement, elif statement. Now we another condition, this example, normally their age, if the somebody age is less than 15 and sorry, greater than 15 and less than 70, then he's pay x rupees. And if somebody has their 18 year, greater than 80 year but less than 22 year, then join fees is y 5 fees. And if someone else in greater than 23 and less than 27, the joining fees this amount. Okay, so if else condition over two choice. Last video we can if and else condition only two choice, but in a nested if statement, once the first condition pass, when the first condition pass, then another condition, like if their height is greater than 170, then another condition, if their age, if age greater than, like that. Okay, we do is real life example. So let's do like the condition with another condition, like age my variable, integer input, and enter, sorry, enter, then first condition pass, then is ask me enter your age, and we condition my formula, age if age greater than equal to 15, greater than 15, then print uh, please pay, sorry, your joining fees is rupees 50. Okay, and another condition is elif age, elif age sorry elif sorry if age greater than 15 but less than and equal to 17, uh, yeah, we use or. Okay, we use and also, and if his age 70, uh, we use or. Okay, if age if age greater than 15 and less than 70, print your joining fees is 50 rupees. Okay, elif age, elif age greater than and equal to 18, yeah, and less than 20, less than 20, less than 22, then print your joining rejoining fees is 70 rupees, rupees 70. Okay, else if condition, this is in something wrong, we get something wrong. This is in getting error. Okay, let's see what is error. Then another condition, else if their age greater than 23 and less than 27, then we simple message your fees, your joining fees is rupees 100. If not match with 18 to 22 and 15 to 70. Okay, now let's check, and I 100% sure this is an error. We forgot something. This is a red dot. This is a red dot. Is its meaning is something wrong. Okay. Yes, just like that. If like is indicator in dot, we if height 170 print this message and age camera. Okay, we something. If age greater than 15, if age greater than 15, no, this is a okay, so okay, we forget about this. Okay. This is a double quotes. Oh, sorry. uh, Greater than 15, greater than 15, but sorry, but and age less than 70. Okay, now we another error. Now what is another error is less than 22 and okay, sorry, this is age. It's okay, then and enter, and what is your add, my height is 167, then I am sorry, you can't join Indian Army because your height is this. Now we use other another condition, my height is 175, then his you can join Indian Army, please enter your age. So first we check, my age is 16, so then my joining fees is 50. Okay, and another condition use, now enter your age, my age is 19, then your joining fees is 70. Okay, next condition, if your age 27, 35, anything, then you join, oh sorry, this is wrong, my height is 176 and my age is 28 and my enter, and this is print, please pay uh, and if and one more, and you keep going the this elif statement whenever you done your condition, like we have another condition, elif age, elif age 23 and less than 27, then his pay 100, like that. My height is 176 and my age is 29, sorry 29 26, sorry, my age is 26, and then enter, then it print why is not print, you can generally enter your age greater than less than 27, and wait, something get wrong with this here. My height is 25, and this is not a print this message. Why? If you have faced the problem, you learn better. Okay, so don't be little confused. Then we else problem you learn, problem solve learn. Please write this formula and less. Yeah, sorry, this is a huge word. Else print, this is not error message, and I really now enter. This is a my height is 176, and my age is over than 22. Then your joining page is 100, and your elif condition is keep going with this elif statement when you done your condition. Elif this, okay, and you forget about last exercise. So please guys, make me a little program like checking odd and even number. Okay, like I want to check this number, and the output is this is an even number, and I want to check this number, and I want to do this number and enter, and this is an odd number. Please I give you a little exercise, and please do better, do good, do learn, and keep safe. And before you use your mind for that make programming, first I learn about what is reminder. Okay, it's something we use reminder, like reminder means something which is left over is remaining. Example, if you have 7 burger and you have share it equally with your 3 friend, and how many burger will you have? Then if you give 2 burger each to your friends, you would have share burger, and you have only 1 burger will remain you, and leftover of 1 burger is called remainder. uh, like if 7 burger, okay, and I give you 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, this is a reminder. Okay, odd divided by 2, odd always divided by 2, but even is not dividing by 2. So this is a work for your making program for that odd or even number. Okay, and 2 plus 2 plus 2, this is a zero reminder. A zero reminder means is your value is true. and then your value is true, then you condition a uh, program, then this value your odd and even make automatically. Okay, use this and make it.